Well, Chiang Mai has been an awesome destination for food, and we've heard one of the best things to do here is actually to take a cooking class. So that's where we're headed now.
That way I can make khao soi at home all the time.
I am so ready for that. So we're here at our cooking class. We just met our hosts, A and Mo. They're a mother-daughter team, and they have their own compound here. We'll be cooking in their kitchen, but right now they're walking us around their garden where we're gonna harvest a lot of the ingredients that we'll use for the dishes we're gonna cook.
Yeah. This one we call it kaffir lime.
Oh, kaffir.
Kaffir lime. Very similar to lime family. The fruits are different. The leaves are similar. The leaves are used for your tom kha gai or tom yum, the coconut soup or tom yum soup. So it has a lot of essential oil, which we can cook it over boiling water, and then the aroma would come out.
This is our appetizer. We made vegan spring rolls. Look how pretty.
Onion, this one go. The second, and then chicken. Yes.
Coriander. Star anise.
Yes.
Vajiki.
Fennel?
I know that one.
No, do you know vajiki?
Taste it.
Star anise.
Do you know all of them?
I'm using this bat to make a salad.
So good.
So finally, we taste the fruits of our labor. We've made our own chicken khao soi. We've got a papaya salad, and I believe you say it pad kra prao.
And these are mine. They look the same, but they're different.
This was the team. Had some great food at the garden to table culinary experience. If you come to Chiang Mai, do not miss it. Hey, coming to you from our little street here in Chiang Mai. Today we have a fun adventure planned. We are heading about an hour north to check out the Sticky Waterfalls.
I'm so excited.
We have no idea how it works, but somehow you can climb straight up a waterfall. So we're excited to learn about it, and we'll
Swim in it.
and swim in it, and hopefully we'll pass on to you guys how it all works. Maybe not. We're here at the park. We learned the Thai name for the Sticky Waterfalls is the Buatang Waterfalls. And now we are hiking down. This is so wild. I have no idea scientifically, geologically, how this works, but we were just like walking on rocks that look like they would be slippery and not slipping at all. They're like slightly porous, slightly grippy, very easy to walk on. There goes Allie, climbing the waterfall. I don't know how this works. I am walking up a waterfall right now. There's little ropes here if you need them. But the feet are not slippery. Look how far up it goes. Obviously, you still got to keep your balance and climb, but your feet don't really slip. And look at that water. That water's rushing. Guys, we just climbed that. I didn't even use my hands. I'm wearing a backpack. That's crazy.
I made it!
Now we're climbing down. Seems like it might even be harder. Guys, how does this work? If you know science, please explain this to me. Maybe leave a comment down below.
Are you enjoying it?
It's pretty weird,
It is very weird.
but neat.
It's like definitely worth an hour and a half
Yeah.
because I've never stood on Sticky Waterfalls. I think the correct word is porous. Porous waterfalls.
All right, we're gonna make our way back up all the falls. Wish us luck. Probably don't need it, it's been pretty easy.